Yo, what's up, him? Jason Capital here, and I don't know how you found this page, but I am damn glad that you did, because this is the page where you get to decide if you're ready to try the Make Women Want You system today. Okay, you can read about the whole system below me. You can read all the bonuses about the book, everything that comes with it. That's all great, but before you decide to get started today, there are 3 things that we need to go over, okay? I want to talk about basically who this system is not for. Number 1, if you're not an action taker, if you're not ready to take action, to put yourself on the line, to challenge yourself, to push yourself, to try, you need to be ready to take fucking action today. Number 2, if you don't like being challenged, okay, if you don't like being pushed a little bit, not too much, but enough so that you're improving, you're growing, you're going after things you wouldn't have, you're getting things you normally wouldn't have. If you're not okay with being challenged to try out new mindsets, new techniques, new lines, all those kinds of things, then this isn't for you either. Because when you get inside the Make Women Want You system, when you join our team, okay, because we got guys, thousands of guys all around the world who are hooking up and sleeping with and forming relationships with some of the hottest, coolest, most intelligent women in the world. If you're ready to join our team, you had better be ready to be challenged and ready to take action. And number 3, if you don't love yourself, okay, if you don't love yourself, then there's no way that this will ever work. Okay, there's no way that my system or anyone else's system or anything like that will ever work for you. If you've been reading the Dating Advice Daily newsletter for a while, if you've been watching my videos, following my emails, anything like that, then you know that at the foundation of everything that I teach is status and self-love. Okay, status is a whole other thing, but if you don't love yourself, and I mean truly, deeply just love yourself and know how awesome you are, then none of this will ever work. Okay, if you don't really love yourself, then really what the hell are you doing here anyways? Okay, there are people in your life right now who will tell you that you don't deserve the best the world has to offer. They'll try and tell you that there are certain things wrong with you, or there are things that you could be doing better, and they might be right and they might be wrong, and that's really not important, because the truth is there is nothing wrong with you. There never was anything wrong with you. There's just certain strategies, techniques, conversational techniques, shit like that that no one ever taught you, that you didn't know, that you needed to know to attract and get the girls that you want. But I need you to understand, there's nothing wrong with you. You are a great human being. You have all the things, the capacities, the faculties, you have every fucking thing that you need to succeed in life, to get the girls you want, to get the jobs you want, to grow the business you want, to do the things that you want to do. And anyone who truly loves themselves already knows this. Okay? So if you, 1, ready to take action, 2, you're ready to be challenged, and you're okay with it, you're okay with someone who's been there with you, who knows what you're going through, who can push you in the right way to get to that next level, and 3, if you truly love yourself, you know there's nothing wrong with you, you know that you deserve the best the world has to offer, then I think that this is the time. Make Women Want You system is backed by 100% money back guarantee, so there's no risk here for you. You can read about the testimonials. I literally have a fucking book at home with like 450 testimonials already from guys who've been through the program and are now dating beautiful women or multiple women or having threesomes or found an amazing girlfriend, even guys who found wives. The success stories come in every single day, and it's because all the guys before you who've joined the team and have made it happen, they 1, they take action, 2, they love being challenged, and 3, they love themselves and they love to succeed. So if that's you, let's get started right now. I'm ready to change your life. I'm ready to give you all the tools that you need to make this happen. I'm ready to challenge you. I'm ready to walk this journey with you. So if you're ready to walk it with me, let's get started right now. I'm Jason Capital, and I hope to see you on the inside in just a second.